multiplying three-digit numbers is still just about setting up the equation, so give a thumbs up for combining numbers and shapes to offer you a different perspective. 202 multiplied by 198, calculating this directly would be quite large. Let's take a look. These two numbers seem to be close to a certain number. 202 and 198 both seem to be related to 200. One is 2 more than 200, and the other is 2 less than 200. And multiplying these two numbers, doesn't it remind us of calculating the area of a rectangle? Here we draw a rectangle. This rectangle has two side lengths. One is 198, and the other is 202. Next, we try to make it approach 200 by taking out a 2 from the 202 side. At this point, the top part is 200R. And by drawing a horizontal line with the 2 taken out, we find that the width of this rectangle is 2, and the length is 198. Next, if we add 2 to 198, doesn't it also become $200? I will take this part and place it vertically here, but we need to be careful. This part is extended by 2. But how long is it? Notice that this segment's length is 198, while this segment's length is 200. So when I extend this rectangle, there's still 1 missing here. 2. So we don't need this segment. Let's move it here. After moving it, it's not hard to see that this length is 200, and this length is also 200, which means if I fill in this part, it becomes a square. 200 multiplied by 200 is 40,000. But this part is missing, and this segment moved down is 2. So this part is also short. 2, proving that I'm missing a square with a side length of 2, and the area is 2 times 2, which is 4. So you need to subtract this extra calculated part. Subtract this 4 by to get 39,196. Actually, this is the difference of squares formula that you will learn in middle school. If you understand, give it a follow.